Earthquakes, they strike without warning, shaking the very foundations of our world and reminding us of the raw, untamed power hidden beneath our feet. These natural phenomena, capable of causing widespread destruction, also play a crucial role in shaping the Earth's landscape. Today, we embark on a journey to understand the mysterious and formidable forces that cause the Earth to tremble. Imagine the Earth's crust as a colossal jigsaw puzzle. This puzzle is made up of massive pieces known as tectonic plates. These plates do not sit still. They are always moving, albeit at a pace that's almost imperceptible to us. They slide over, collide with, and pull apart from each other. It's a slow, relentless dance driven by the heat from the Earth's core. The boundaries where these plates meet are hotspots for seismic activity. Sometimes, the edges of these plates get stuck due to friction, while the rest of the plate continues to move. This builds up stress. When the force surpasses the friction holding them in place, the plates suddenly snap into a new position. This rapid movement releases energy that travels through the Earth in waves, which we feel as an earthquake. The most dramatic of these interactions occur at convergent boundaries where plates collide, leading to some of the most powerful and devastating earthquakes known. Divergent boundaries where plates move apart and transform boundaries where plates slide past each other also contribute to seismic activity. This intricate tectonic ballet not only causes the ground to shake, but also leads to the creation of mountains, valleys, and even entire land masses over geological timescales. For instance, the majestic Himalayas continue to rise each year due to the ongoing collision between the Indian and Eurasian plates. Despite their destructive power, earthquakes are not merely agents of chaos. They play a pivotal role in the Earth's geological cycle. By releasing accumulated stress along tectonic boundaries, earthquakes prevent even larger and potentially more catastrophic events. They also contribute to the geological diversity that makes our planet unique, forming new ecosystems and landscapes. However, the unpredictability of earthquakes necessitates preparedness. Living in areas prone to seismic activity requires awareness and readiness. Structural engineering has advanced to develop buildings that can withstand the tremors. Emergency plans and drills can save lives when mere seconds count. In conclusion, earthquakes are a formidable natural force arising from the dynamic nature of our planet's tectonic plates. Their power to destroy is matched by their ability to create and shape. By understanding the origins and mechanics behind these seismic events, and by staying prepared, we can better live in harmony with the ever-changing planet we call home. Earthquakes remind us of the Earth's immense power and our own resilience in the face of nature's challenges. Preparedness and respect for these natural forces are our best defense against their unpredictability.
Imagine a serene morning suddenly shattered by the ground beneath your feet starting to tremble. The once steady earth begins to shake violently. Buildings sway and groan as if in pain. Windows shatter with a piercing crash, and the air fills with the dust of crumbling structures. The peaceful day turns chaotic as the ground opens, swallowing roads and creating gaping fissures that sever the lifelines of the city. Along the coast, the sea pulls back ominously, only to return with a ferocious tsunami sweeping away everything in its path. This is the reality of an earthquake, a sudden release of energy from the Earth's crust that creates seismic waves. Earthquakes occur when there is a sudden slip on a fault line, primarily due to the tectonic plates' movements beneath the Earth's surface. These plates continuously move, but they can get stuck at their edges due to friction. When the stress on the edge overcomes the friction, there is an earthquake that releases energy in waves that travel through the Earth's crust and cause the shaking that we feel. The effects of earthquakes can be devastating. They can destroy buildings, take lives, and leave lasting economic and environmental scars. Areas near fault lines, where earthquakes are more likely to occur, often suffer the most. However, earthquakes can also trigger landslides, turn soil into liquid, and generate tsunamis, each of which can compound the devastation and affect regions far beyond the epicenter. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for preparedness. While predicting the exact time and location of an earthquake remains beyond our current scientific capabilities, significant strides have been made in seismic research. Scientists study the history of earthquakes in different areas to identify patterns and potential risks. This research helps in designing buildings and infrastructure that can withstand earthquakes, and in developing emergency response strategies that can save lives when the ground shakes. preparedness is key. It involves both small-scale actions, like securing furniture and establishing safety plans among family members, and large-scale measures, like enforcing strict building codes and developing community response strategies. Regular drills that teach people to drop cover and hold on can make a significant difference in safety during an actual earthquake. The importance of being prepared cannot be overstressed. By understanding what causes earthquakes and how they affect the environment, individuals and communities can take proactive steps to minimize their impact. Awareness and preparedness save lives, reduce damage, and enable quicker recovery from these unpredictable natural events. In summary, earthquakes are sudden and devastating natural disasters that can cause significant damage and loss of life. They result from the buildup and release of energy along fault lines due to the movement of tectonic plates. While predicting earthquakes with precision is not yet possible, understanding their mechanisms and effects helps in developing effective preparedness and response strategies. Remember, the right knowledge and preparation can dramatically improve safety and resilience in the face of these formidable natural.
Imagine the ground beneath you suddenly starts to shake, buildings sway, and the serene morning turns into a scene of chaos. What just happened? An earthquake, a powerful reminder of Earth's dynamic nature, has just occurred. Earthquakes strike without warning, unleashing a force that can reshape landscapes and communities in seconds. But what exactly causes these dramatic events? At the heart of the matter is the movement of tectonic plates, the enormous slabs of Earth's crust that float on the semi-fluid layer beneath them, known as the mantle. These tectonic plates do not sit still. They constantly move, albeit very slowly, at a rate of a few inches per year. Sometimes, these plates collide, pull apart, or slide against each other. When the stress on the rocks at the plate boundaries builds up to a point where they can no longer hold, they break or slip, releasing energy in the form of seismic waves. This sudden release of energy is what causes the ground to shake, resulting in an earthquake. The energy travels in waves from the epicenter, the point on the Earth's surface directly above where the fault slips. These seismic waves can vary in type and speed, and it's their journey through the layers of the Earth that we perceive as shaking. While the science of earthquakes is well understood, predicting when and where the next one will strike remains a significant challenge. Despite advances in technology and geology, the precise prediction of earthquakes is not yet possible. However, by studying geological patterns and historical data, scientists can identify areas more likely to experience earthquakes and estimate their potential strength and impact. This knowledge is crucial not just for scientific curiosity, but for preparedness. Earthquakes can cause extensive damage to infrastructure, disrupt services, and even trigger tsunamis if they occur under the ocean. Understanding the areas at risk and the nature of earthquakes is vital in preparing for these events. Preparedness starts with education. Knowing what to do before, during, and after an earthquake can save lives and property. This includes securing heavy furniture, creating and practicing evacuation plans, and keeping emergency supplies ready. Building codes in earthquake-prone areas are designed to make structures more resistant to seismic forces, and retrofitting older buildings can prevent them from collapse. Staying informed through official updates and alerts before and during seismic activities can also make a significant difference in safety. Alerts can provide precious seconds to take cover before the shaking starts, reducing the risk of injury. In conclusion, earthquakes are natural yet formidable phenomena resulting from the dynamic nature of Earth's tectonic plates. While the timing and location of earthquakes may not be predictable, understanding their causes and preparing for their effects can dramatically enhance safety and resilience. By embracing preparedness and education, communities can navigate these shaking grounds with confidence, turning a potentially devastating event into a manageable challenge. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the case of earthquakes, it's the power to stay safe.
My name is Ricardo Valls. I'm a professional geologist registered in the province of Ontario, Canada, and also the president of Valls Geoconsultant. Geology, geochemistry, structural analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. I am sure you will find something useful among my over 400 videos.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.